4 वर्स जालीं ही केस चलता गोंयांत कोडसो नाक म्हूण आख्खे गोंयभर लोक एकठांय जालो आरोसी आनी चांदोर सगल्यांनी चोयल्लें तेन्ना आमदार आसो न्हय आनी जेन्ना हे एकठांय जावन गोंयच लोकां पासत सगलो लोक एकठांय जाल्लो तितूंतले थोडे जाणां सिलेक्ट करून आतां केस घायल्या आमचेर रेल्वेन आनी ही रेल्वे केस आतां चलत आहा पूण आज एक हांव सरकाराकूय सांगो सोदिता आनी आमी एसेंब्ली उलयताय भायरूय उलयताय स्पेशल पब्लीक प्रोसिक्युटर पीपी तो आज कितुले हियरींग जाली येयना ऑलमोस्ट 50 हियरींग्स जावन गेली म्हाका आतां इन द लास्ट 3 to 4 years बट ही इज नॉट कमिंग तारीख पे तारीख दीत आहे पूण म्हाका दिसता हें हुंय काय बंद जावपाक गरज आहा पीपल ऑफ गोवा आर फेड अप ऑफ दीस गव्हर्मेंट द वे दे आर ट्रायंग टू बुल्डोज आज डेमोक्रेसी म्हणटाय ती उरना आनी हे डेमोक्रेसीचेर आमदारांकूय आज त्रास जाल्ले आमी ऑपोजिशना वीक पडोन आनी लोकांकूय त्रास जाल्ले बट द मेसेज इज व्हेरी क्लियर वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बॅक ऑफ आम इलेक्ट जाच पयले आम बॅक ऑफ जाल नाय लोकां बारा आहले इलेक्ट जावनूय आम लोकां बारा आसतले आनी वी आर गोइंग टू बी द वॉयस ऑफ गोवन्स वी आर गोइंग टू फायट दीस गव्हर्मेंट वी आर गोइंग टू मेक शुअर टू प्रूव दॅट यू गायज आर रॉंग and we are going to make sure that Goa does not get this double tracking to make sure that people do not get hurt, people do not suffer from cancer, people do not die because of your coal transportation and Goa पाड जावपाक म्हूण आमी उबो रावतले आनी म्हाका दिसता we really appreciate the entire team who is there here standing. We thank the advocate, the entire legal setup who is there, Abhijit, Daina, who has continuously been following up for these matters, not only for this matter but there are so many other several matters. I think the Chandor matter is also going to come up tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So हुई काय आज गोंयकारांगेलो आवाज हुई काय आमगेलो आमदारांगेलो आवाज हे सगळें बंद करपाचो प्रयत्न लोकांक चिंतपाक हो वेळ दिल्लो आहा. This is a time to think. Do you want this to continue? Yes or no? Yes जाल्यार decision is yours. If you do not want this to continue, you have an opportunity and you have to come out, voice out whenever something is wrong.
Given to the special PP to basically serve the accused number 7, that is Anthony Fernandez. Instead of serving Anthony Fernandez, they have again served accused number 2, that is Anthony De Silva. And they were trying to misguide the court on the fact that they have served accused number 7. Now the court has dismissed the case against accused number 7 only and given the PP last and final opportunity to appear in the matter and prosecute the matter. Since the PP has not been present, hardly been present only for maximum 2 to 3 hearings. Now this shows that this whole case is filed only to harass this accused who are actually not hardcore criminals or not even criminals for that matter, but are people who are fighting for Goa and for the betterment of Goa. They are basically social activists who have been made accused in this matter, and also our MLA Mr. Vanzi Vegas has been made accused in this matter. Now these people have been made accused only because they are raising voices against the wrongdoings of the government, against the double tracking. Since they are raising their voice, this is just to make them make sure that they don't speak up against what is going on in Goa. And if you see the judgment which the court pronounced in the open court, the court has been very clear, and the court had some harsh words against the prosecution. Even the application filed for the exemption of the PP has been rejected by the court. So now the matter is fixed on 17th of June, and the court has given last and final opportunity to the PP to appear, or else the court will pass necessary orders.
कोर्टांत आमची जे डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचेर आनी कोळशाचे जे ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन जाता ताजेर जे आरोसी लोकांनी प्रोटेस्ट केल्लो ते प्रोटेस्टाचेर ताका आतां 3-4 वर्सां जालीं ते प्रोटेस्टाचेर जी केस रेल्वे पुलिसान आमचेर घाल्ली ती केस आयज आशिल्ली कोर्टा मुखार. आतां 3 वर्सां जालीं आमकां कोर्टांत 50-100 खेपे येवपा पडलें पूण सरकाराचो प्रोसिक्युटर केन्नाय येना आनी सगळे लोकांक जे लोक गोंय सांबाळपाक बरें जावपा खातीर जे मुखार जावन झगडटात तांकां ह्या भशेन सरकार हॅरस करता. आतां ह्या थोडे वर्सां फाटीं सुप्रीम कोर्टान सुद्दां हे कोळशाचेर अभ्यास केलो, CECचो रिपोर्ट पळयलो, गव्हर्मेंटाचें आयकलें आनी सुप्रीम कोर्ट सांगता की कोळसो कृष्णापट्टणम आंध्र प्रदेशच्यान तुमी व्हरात, गोंयच्यान व्हरनाकात. तरी आसतना सरकार गोंय काबार करपा खातीर हे कोळशाचे हे मुखार व्हरपाक सोदता आनी ताका लागून ह्यो केसी आमचे लोकांचेर घाल्यात. पूण लोक ह्या केसीक मातसो सुद्दां भिना. आमचो लोक सगळो स्ट्रॉंग आसा आनी एक हितून आसा की हें डबल ट्रॅकिंग हें कोळशाचें ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन सगळें बंद जावपाक जाय आनी आमकां खात्री आसा की आमी जिखतले.